Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit money in Binance, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on the screen, where you can see there is a wallets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet logo. So let's tap on that wallets, and now you can see, and make sure you are in this overview section, and now you can see there is a buy crypto option at the right side of this P2P option. So let's tap on that buy crypto, and now you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see there is a buy USDT option. So let's tap on that option, and you can choose any of the cryptos from here. Now let's cancel it, and now if you want to add your payment method, then simply tap on the pay with, and you can see there are two payment methods. First one is card and another one is Apple Pay. And you can also change your country or region by tapping on the region, which is at the right side of this P2P trading. So once you tap on that region, you can change your region or country from here successfully. So let's close it for now, and now let's enter the amount, let's say 100 USD. And now finally tap on the add new card, and now you need to enter your banking credentials over here. And so once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the confirm, and you'll be able to deposit your money in Binance app successfully. So basically this is how you can deposit your money in Binance app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.